Going to the, wow, I know all part is good parts, but this part is special. So condensed glue gels, if you're having a hard time, your crystal will keep falling off on you, on your clients, you need this bestie on your stations. It's not only is give your clients is such a really confidence of wearing them without having them falling off. Also is give yourselves really peace of mind that you don't have to worry about calling the clients, calling ding ding within 24 hours or 2 days and like, oh, my crystal falling off, right? So this will be is going to be your bestie. I am just finished with the top coat. I mean layer on a floating on the top. I said floating, it mean which is like really feather touch because you don't want to drag your bristle, is because you don't want to wipe off all your condensed glue gels. And I'm gonna just like give it a little bit pressures here, so then it's gonna like really stuck in your condensed glue gels and no white top coat. So then your condensed glue gel and the white top coat, the layers will grab around your base of your crystals, and it's not going anywhere, but it stay on the client's nails or your nails for quite a good 3 to 6 weeks. So I'm gonna do a polish right there. Oh, nice. I'm playing a lot with my frame. And I'm just like dress it up, but I'm not going to like covers because they has really cute ombre and encapsulate. So I did add the diamond shields, which is in unicorn, which is this is in transcendent crystal kit. I mean the crystal pack.
Where is it gonna fit? Oh, there's okay. I don't know if I want the yellow one there.
Let me see. Put your hands up just a little. Oh, I like that. Ooh, it's perfect. No, it looks good.
I don't know.
You don't feel it at all?
No, I'm not feeling it.
I'm feeling it for you. It's okay.
This one is cute. I don't know.
Why don't you know? I think be honest, you want to hear my like honest opinion? I think the yellow looks so perfect. Okay. Just my opinion, but you do what you like. The yellow is stand out so cool.
It stands out, right?
Yes. It's kind of blending it with the ombres. Also is will like complement that colors. So it doesn't look, it's really cool. I don't know. I just saw that because then before you remove it. Haha. Never just like your adjustment, like if you're doing it the first time, you like it, then you shouldn't like, you shouldn't like change it.
Right, I did think the yellow popped really nice on there.
Yeah, yellow is the best. But or like white one, it looks good. I know yellows looks good. Yellows or blue. Just my opinion, but my sometimes is.
I do like the yellow. That's my first thought, but I'm like.
And then you doubt yourself.
Yeah. Okay. All right. I'll stick with the yellow. Stay with your first thought.
Yep. That's happened to a lot of our clients. They come in, they pick yellow because, and then they will doubt themselves and say, oh, I don't know. But I always go back to where is their what is their weighing. If you want to know, here's some cool tip and trick, okay? So when the clients couldn't find the colors or couldn't decide, look at what she's weighing on the top. If she's weighing her yellows or pink, she's in the mood of pink or yellow on that day. So it doesn't matter you try to do like a fancy blue or aqua, she's not going to like it even though it looks good on her. But she's in the mood of pink or yellow, give her pink or yellows, you know?
That's really interesting because a lot of times I do notice my clients are wearing a color that they picked out. I'm like, you have that same shirt on right now. Yeah. And you're like, oh, yeah.
They're in the mood of it, and then that's mentality, that's mostly. And then if they change their minds and the next day, oh, wow, they're going to have to make an appointment with you in the next 2 weeks. So here you go, another appointment to change the colors. So don't try to changing her because her mood is in the colors of pink, corals. Like, oh, I don't feel pink at all, Nancy. Give me some corals. Sure, because they're wearing a corals on their shirt. Doesn't matter what you want, is will not change because they're in the mood of that colors.
Right, exactly.
So I'm gonna put beads. And then the client said, oh, Nancy, I don't know. And I said, tell me what color you hated it. Because I'm not going to pick all the colors that you hated. So I will pick the color you like. Like, for instance, you like all the colors, but give me some, the colors you don't care for it. They were like, oh, I don't want like gray. I don't want yellows. I don't want purple. And so, okay, I gotcha. But you don't want to try to give them all the color they hate. They say, oh, I don't like it. And you say that I pick whatever, right? But it doesn't mean that they're gonna like it. So I always they're like,
well, not a lot, but enough times where I'm like, okay. So that's a good trick to ask them what they don't want.
Yeah, I always
say freestyle.
Because it's hard though, because if you have hundreds of different option glitters, crystals, you tell them like, oh, they get overwhelmed. Like the same with us. When we do things with going to places and you pick out your clothes and it's like you get overwhelmed. But you have to know what you want. Like, or like what color you don't care. And then you go from there. So I will ask them, give me a few colors that you like don't care, you hated it. They were like, I don't like certain colors. They will give you the least, so then you don't pick on that because you keep picking on the yellow because that's the color in trend and the color you love and they hated it. Then you're gonna give you a hard time and you get frustrated. Your clients get frustrated, and it'll take you forever to do the nails. And you are not going to be in the good mood, and they're not in the good mood. And then here you go, no tips.
Yeah. So you got like your sage after they leave and all.